this is to show you how to attach the legs. So you've made your basic shape, which is not dissimilar to what I showed you just a minute ago in the instructions. And now you need to attach the legs to your fairy. Now you have the end piece of the pipe cleaner. If you've used more for the head, more wool for the head, you might have more wool dangling down, in which case you could use that wool to secure the legs further. But what I do is I just put the legs here onto the end of the pipe cleaner, twist the pipe cleaner back up, and the distance between the arms here, the upper arms, and the base of the legs should be as much as the head is long. So you have that length of the head, and you copy that exact length here again, and then you just twist that pipe cleaner end around the body there. So I've now fastened the pipe cleaner around the body, and then obviously you don't want to spread a fairy's legs spread out. You want them to be pointing down, so you just bend them into place. Now for extra, so you can either use the end of the hair, not the hair, the face top, and wrap it around there, or if you feel that way and you will have plenty of wool, you can actually use a little bit of wool to wrap it around. You don't have to do this. This is just for extra, for a little bit of extra strength to add to the legs if you wish to do that. This is not necessary, but you can. And then obviously you can use your felting needle and just stab that in just very gently. We're not so worried what the fairy looks like underneath, because it's nobody's business other than the fairy's business. So that's basically how you attach the legs. And then with the fairy you would be bending the feet in so that she hasn't got them sort of sticking out, and that's basically how you would attach the legs to the body, and from there you're going to start dressing your little fairy. I hope that was useful.